Tired of just peeking at the cool perks Microsoft Rewards has to offer? Let's unlock level 2 and supercharge your rewards game in just a minute and a half. First, let's talk about the requirements. Reaching level 2 requires earning 500 points each month. Don't worry, it's easier than you think. Your daily searches using Bing are point powerhouses. Make Bing your default search engine and aim for the daily search limit. Each search gives you points, which add up very quickly. Next, conquer the daily sets and explore the rewards dashboard. Microsoft regularly offers quizzes, polls, and other simple activities. Complete these daily sets to snag easy points. Also, scroll through the dashboard to discover special offers and deals. Shopping with Microsoft Edge and the Microsoft Store is your fast track to level to look for bonus points on specific purchases and use the Microsoft Edge browser. While doing your shopping, you can activate Microsoft Rewards and earn even more points when you shop online. Staying active is key. Consistent engagement with Microsoft Rewards activities ensures you hit that 500-point monthly goal. To maintain your level to status, level 2 unlocks bonus points on searches and purchases, plus exclusive offers that level 1 users miss out on. So, ditch the level 1 limitations and unlock the full potential of Microsoft Rewards. Start searching, exploring, and shopping smarter today.